everyone, I hope you are having an amazing day and I have exciting news. So today I got my holiday kit. I'm going to open to see what it is. Actually I know what it is, and it's going to be iPhone 13. So I will be a first time user, so I'm really happy to open this. I'm really excited, so let's get started. Actually, I got the extra sales on this one, and here I have this catalog. Alright, so I will open the little things later. These things in here. Alright, so हमारे लिए उन्होंने ये मार्किंग दे रखी है इसको ओपन करने के लिए, तो हम यहाँ से पील ऑफ कर रहे हैं. Alright, so one side is done. This is going to be another side. Alright, so it's like, wow, it's amazing. Wow. All right. Hello. All right. So it seems it's working.